You know what? It's getting dark, but I think you got enough light in here. And I'm going to pour a little paint in here, and I'm going to put one coat on these sides of the doors. And this little door, I'm going to go ahead and do that now too. Okay? Just got my little tray here, and I think you can see what I'm going to be doing here. I want to make sure I get everything on there, and I'm going to just concentrate on the flat bit of this door first. Man, I almost need a little bit more light, but I think I'm okay. Let's see, this door, this top bit only goes from here to here, so I only have to concentrate from this point to that point, okay? Like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to go into the middle, do the same thing right here. Just from edge to edge, like that. Okay? And then I'm going to do the bottom. And that's why I put those screws on the bottom of the door, remember? To raise it up off the ground so my roller won't hit. Oh, that looks sweet. That's sweet. Okay, now I can do in here, add some paint on there like that. Grab myself a little bit of extra on there. I think you can see this. And now see from here I can go all the way down. And now what I'm going to do is concentrate on getting a nice straight line through there and go all the way from top to bottom. Move it over, top, bottom. Okay, I'm going to hit this little edge like that so I don't have anything on the edge going over like that. And I see I hit some right there, so now I have to go from bottom to top like that because I don't want that little bit to show, see? There, beauty. Now that's done. Okay, same thing over here. I'm just trying to get a little bit of paint on here, loading it up. Concentrating on trying to get this paint on the whole body. Don't chintzy it. Make sure you get enough paint on there. If you think you need to get a little bit more, grab some more. Okay. Now I'm going to just make it even first. Okay. Now I can go from top to bottom, all in one go. Now move it over, top to bottom. I'm going to hit this edge, like that. Okay, there. Now to concentrate on those squares. See, you can do it. This is pretty easy to do with the little mini roller and paint tray. Oh, and I got a 1/4 inch nap mini roller. I'm going to put just a hair more on. I want to get it nice and pretty even first. Okay, like that. It feels pretty even there. Okay. Now I'm going to go from bottom to top, all the way down to that ridge, like that, and move it along. You there? There. Just like that. That one's done. I got to be careful not to drip any paint because I've already finished the rest of the door. I could have done these squares first, let's say, right? Could have. Maybe I'll do the middle of the next door first before the edges. I don't know. You just don't want to get sloppy. Okay, I want to get enough paint on there, nice and even, before I do my thing on this one too. Okay. Now, bottom to top, move it along. There, like that. And I believe I'm done with that door. Just, right there. See, I went back, and once I start from right to left or left to right, just keep on going until you're done. I kind of hit that edge, that top edge too, but I think that'll be okay. That's already been painted. That's not going to show. Okay. And that should be fine. Okay. There's that door. I shouldn't have to do anything more to that door, but I see there's a slight line over here. I don't know how that happens. So to get rid of that, I've got to do this whole thing from top to bottom again, right here, like that. Okay. And that's gone away. And that's how you want to do it. You don't want to just do one little spot. You know, you do it once, take a look at it. I'm happy with that, and onward I go for the next door. Okay, that's going to turn out nice. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I hope to see you again, and I'll show you some more on these doors and beyond. I still got some other things to do at this condo renovation, so keep watching the episodes.